How to disable suggestions on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from your top right, go to the menu bar. Now scroll down and then you will see an option of limit interactions. Go over there and turn it on. Go back and now scroll down further. Then you will see an option of suggested content. Tap on it. Now go to snooze suggested post and toggle it on. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.